Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica and Miss Luna Bear. Right here. And I am doing a PR unboxing today from none other than my Busy Beauty. She is phenomenal. And yeah, I want to apologize real quick. This is outside of my element. My background is different. I accidentally deleted my intro for my PR unboxing. So I had to do one real quick while I was editing. And yeah, that's why I've got a little turd butt right here. But if you enjoy content such as this, unboxings, tutorials, giveaways, how-tos, anything to do with a beauty, make sure you subscribe. And if you do not know who Busy Beauty is, check her out in my description box. You won't be disappointed. So if you would like to see what I got in my unboxing, hey, my Beauty Squad members. Thank you for sticking around. So, just FYI, don't mind the noise in the background. I am so sorry. I apologize for the kids running around. But it's been a hectic 2 days. As you can tell, I'm a little tired. I do have my face done. I did not get to the eyeshadow yet because I think I'm going to film that part. But anyways, I've been trying to stay a little bit more active on TikTok. So yeah, I was making kind of like a tutorial over there for my face base. Y'all have to check it out. If y'all do not have me on TikTok, make sure you check it out. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, is PR unboxing. Yes, I am forever grateful for my Busy Beauty, Miss Stephanie. She is a sister of mine. I love her to pieces. She had faith in me before I did. And this is for basically November, December, whatever is a winter PR. We couldn't really clarify it being her, well, all of our mail have been really screwed up. And she was trying to get this to be a little bit earlier. Shit happens. It is what it is. We're going to go ahead and jump into this box. I did go ahead and open her up. And I saw the goodies. And y'all, of course, a big ass box. So first and foremost, let's jump into it. Now, if you do not know my Busy Beauty, Miss Stephanie, I always have her links down below in any of my videos. Just make sure you grab the description box, open it up, and boom, there you go. So, we have some face masks. We have the Cream Shop. These little cute little Be Magical skins. They make you look like little unicorns while you have them on. She sent me 2 of them, so I'm going to let my girls play with these. Miss Sophia and Jasmine. And then we have the Pore Care. These are Tony Moly, Illuminating, and Brightening. What I love about face masks is they're phenomenal to use, of course. But on top of that, I like to put a little special TLC in my giveaways. So it's always nice to have. Girl, you must have been reading my mind because I am completely out of face wipes. And, of course, Stephanie comes to the rescue. This is Purcell Water Energizer Makeup Remover Wipes. And it smells like watermelon. Yay! Like, I have not one. This is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Juicy Fruits Comfortable Lip Glaze in the shade Home Slice. Ooh, I think this is a beautiful shade. And if I haven't already, this will be going into a giveaway. And I don't think I have this shade, but I will make sure before I open her up, of course. Oh my gosh, my all-time favorite setting spray, the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is phenomenal. This is hands down one of the best setting sprays. If you want your makeup to stay all night, check out some Urban Decay. And it is not cheap now. Then we have the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I cannot wait to do some reviews on this stuff. I'm so glad to get this. I did get it in my BoxyCharm 1 month. It don't really smell like cherries, but it's pretty. I passed it on to my beautiful Bobby. So now I have one for myself. This is Pharmacy Daily Green Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And it looks like some papaya in morning. Kids, Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. Mega Moisturizer Lip Balm. Ooh. Too Faced always be killing it with some packaging, guys. Like, y'all know how I am about my packaging. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Smells just like peaches. Yes. I go ahead and tell you that's probably going to be our favorite lip balm already. Oh, it feels so smoothing. And y'all, you got to make sure you're taking care of the lips, especially wintertime, because the winter weather be killing my lips. This is the Revolution Pro, the Illuminator. Illuminating topper for eyes, lips, and face. Ooh, I ain't never seen nothing like this. So this is what she looks like. This will be interesting to try out. I can't wait. Then we have a Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Eyeshadow in Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. I love these concepts. I have one I haven't really used, so now I have two. Yeah. This is the MAC Drizzle Glass and Prancing Dancing. This is a pretty shade. I like MAC's glosses. I see some palettes. This is the NARS Mini Orgasm Lip Duo. Beautiful. I love NARS. I love, like, that is my all-time favorite face foundation. Break for it. This right here is a lip sculpture metallic. I'm trying to see what brand. Oh, Black Radiant Beauty. Look at that shade. That's a bright color. That would be an interesting lip. Then I have some lippies from Wet n Wild. This is in Pisces and Capricorn. Beautiful. I have the Cancer one. Ooh, I see some more little goodies in here. Then we have a Libra. Ooh, this is really pretty. Then we have some color liners. Stephanie knows how I am about my color liners. I absolutely love color liners. And I don't have any of these shades. So this is awesome. This is the LA Girl Pastel Dreams. You got blue, a green one. And then this is LA Girl Shockwave Neon, which is beautiful. If you need that pop of color in your line, waterline, I'm telling you. And this is ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This is in a shade Good Reef. Kind of like Good Grief, but Good Reef. And that's that last one right there. These will get so much TLC. I'm telling you. Ooh, we're getting close to the palettes. Then we have, this is Mellow Milk Calming Mist, Stay Calm Mist On from Fourth Ray. If you don't know who Fourth Ray is, it is like a sister brand to ColourPop. It's their skincare brand. Also, products that I've used from there. I haven't used a lot for Fourth Ray, but what I have used, I really like. Where is it at? Yeah, like this right here is a Gentle Tonic Water. It's really good. It's for Fourth Ray. Sorry, I'm making a mess over here. Like I always do. Then I have an I Do Care Thirsty Things First Rejuvenizing Vitamin C Mist Mask. Ooh. Okie dokie. This is what she looks like. You gotta give her a good old shake before you use it. Yep, it says Refreshing Mist Mask. Shake the bottle, close the eyes, and mist on face and neck daily. So that's cool. And look how it looks right now. So you make sure you always shake her up. That way the oil and the water kind of get their groove on in there. This is interesting because I've never tried anything from TIGI brand. Look at the packaging. Yes, it has my fingerprints on it. Sorry. Look at this. Look at these shades. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. You got 3 mattes and 5 shimmers or satins or whatever. This is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this brand out and give y'all my full one on it. I know so many of y'all really enjoy my reviews. Epic fail. Then we have the BH Cosmetics. I really like BH Cosmetics. There's a couple of palettes I don't care for, but for the most part, I like them. This is Chillin' in Chicago. The packaging is gorgeous. This is what the package outside looks like. This is what the inside. Beautiful, neutral palette. There you go. And I've been getting a little bit more neutral friendly, so that's always good to have. Then this is the Weekend Vibes Frost by BH Cosmetics. And these are highlighters. I love the big pan highlighters from BH. Look at this. These are gorgeous. Like, this is a must swatch. Look at those shades. And y'all, also, like, if you ever get any funky highlighters and you don't know what to do with them because you don't really want to put them on your cheeks, use them as eyeshadow toppers, guys. Like, you always think outside the box. With makeup, there is no limitation, no rule. Look at that. These two right here would be gorgeous eyeshadow toppers. We are down to the last 3 items in here. I'm super excited. Okay, this is Let It Glow BH Cosmetics highlighter. Kids! Look at that. As you can tell, I've tried to already record this video once. Look at these. Tell them to be quiet. I'm trying to film. Look at that. The top one, that one, and that one. Look at the white one right here. That is an icy white. Those are going to be so fun to play with. I love a beaming highlighter. Today I have the Lily Pacho. The Luda. So gorgeous. Y'all, oh my god. Like, Stephanie knows me through and through. These are 2 palettes I have been wanting. And I've been eyeballing for a while. And I'm so glad that she sent them my way. This palette I fought myself probably about 4 times. I wanted to get, and I was like, I can't right now. I want it. I can't right now. I want it. I can't right now. And mind you, ColourPop is affordable, but when you try to be on a no-buy, affordable is too expensive still. It's gorgeous. This green killed me. These 2 shades right here is the main reason I wanted this palette. No Mama Nails, they're recovered. This is Garden Variety. Look. I've got to swatch these 2. Oh, look at that green and purple. Whew. Speaking of green and purple, do y'all see what I have behind me? Cannot wait. That's why my eyeballs do not have eyeshadows on them, because you girls doing a tutorial. And then we have the 24M main event from Morphe. I have the 24 Artistry palette, and I love it. Look at these colors. They're so earthy. I don't think I have hardly any of these colors in my collection because they're so kind of grungy looking. And that's kind of what drew me to the palette to begin with, because I don't have these colors. Look at the glitter. And then you have a black glitter. These two would be Bob for like a New Year's Eve look. Because we gotta break 2021 in with a bang, guys, because everybody is sick of looking at 2020. I am. I know y'all are. Yes. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Mind y'all, she does not do mystery boxes. It is not declared mystery boxes. She doesn't do monthly boxes. You call her up, give her allowance, tell her kind of idea of what you're looking for, especially if there's like a specific item. She does like to chit chat and get to know you a little bit before she does fill your box, because she wants to know your personality. Because I've never in my life seen anybody be able to put together a box like she does. She hits it on the nail every time. I've never seen an unhappy customer with her. Like, it is phenomenal. Now, mind you, you cannot give her $10 and expect a $100 box, of course. She does give you the rundown, you know, like if it's something expensive you're looking for, she lets you know, okay, well, this is going to take a chunk out of your money, you know, blah, blah, blah. She does always put some special little add-ins on there. Like, she is phenomenal. She's an awesome person to be in contact with. She is gorgeous inside and out, and I love her to death. So if y'all do not know who Busy Beauty is, make sure you drop down in my description box, grab her up on Instagram, and go give her a chit chat. Let her know what you're looking for. Great for girl boxes, adults, any variety, anybody looking for any kind of skincare or makeup. Make sure you hit her up. You get your bang for your buck for sure. I have never been disappointed with anything I've ordered from her, and I've never heard of anybody being disappointed, really. So with that being said, I love y'all. I will let y'all go because I've got to go beat me some youngins right now. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for so many reviews to come with these goodies. I cannot wait to put my hands in these palettes. I want to try this out a couple of weeks and let y'all know. Anything to do with skincare, I always kind of give it a month, at least a few weeks to be able to work its magic. So stay tuned for that as well. I love y'all, and until